Received this from a company called Lexiglora, and it is an adjustable height pendant light. I'm super excited to be doing this because my kitchen, as you can see, is no longer there. I had a fixture there, but took it down. We're gonna get something a little more modern, better looking for the size of the table. Happy to review this, and I'm happy to do a little how-to to help you guys along the way. Let's get started. Insert these twice. Got 4 bolts here. Got to take them off, slide it in, and then you could tighten back up. Little friend hanging out and helping me. Okay, so there it is installed. It's dark. I'm gonna hit the lights now. The bulbs I'm using are kind of bright. I did switch them out to yellow, but I think I need to put a dimmer on this because it was, I just didn't like the color of the other one. So this is gonna do for now until I change the bulbs out, but I like it, looks great. And it fits the room perfectly because my table is kind of long. And what we had here before was like a round little chandelier thing. So this looks great. I love it. Let's hit the lights on it. Look how bright it is. It's so nice. Definitely like this. It was simple to put together, to hang it. And if you like what you see the link in the description. You can get yourself one too. Not too bad in price. And if you click on it, you get a discount with my, if you go through my link. So I'll see you guys in the next video.